Hi, so we're going to be doing legs up the wall pose today. You're going to need either a couple of folded up towels or blankets or some really small cushions. So you'll want one that's going to support underneath your back, underneath your lower back, and then you'll want one so it's just underneath the head. You don't have to have anything underneath your head, but you might want it for comfort, as we could be here for 10 minutes. So begin by lying onto your side. Have your feet close to the wall and your bum as close to the wall as you can get. And then gently roll yourself onto your back and lift your legs up the wall. Adjust the pillow so it's sitting into your lower back and supporting your back. Bum's next to the wall and so the hips are pushing down to the floor. Just bring the pillow above your head and make yourself comfortable, and just begin to rest your hands wherever it's comfortable, either just on your stomach, down by your side, wherever is most comfortable. And then you can hold this pose anywhere from 1 minute to 10 minutes. Make sure you're supporting yourself as much as you need to.